The V-up is one of the most effective exercises for developing abdominal and hip flexor strength. Doing a proper V-up, however, requires a good degree of strength, mobility, and coordination to perform well. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 3 exercise progressions for the V-up. If you want to build enough strength and mobility to master the V-up, you must first pay your dues with a healthy dose of tuck-ups. To perform the tuck-up, lie on your back with your legs straight and arms up overhead. Raise your torso and tuck your knees to your chest while reaching your arms forward towards your feet. Pause briefly in the top position before lowering back down towards the ground. Once you've mastered the tuck-up exercise variation, it's time to move on to the next progression in this series, the straddle-up. To perform the straddle-up, start in the same position as the tuck-up, then raise your body into a straddle position while keeping your back as straight as possible. Reach your arms between your legs, then lower back down to the starting position. The third and final progression in this exercise series is the V-up, which is easily the most challenging exercise out of the 3. To perform the V-up, lie on your back with your legs straight and arms up overhead. Raise your torso and legs up to form a V shape at the top. Reach your arms towards your feet and lower back down towards the ground. It's time to take your fitness to the next level. Check out our collection of online fitness programs to help you build a strong, lean, and functional physique. Head over to LivFit Academy to learn more.